So this is our terrorism database analysis tool, and the purpose of this tool is to sort through large amounts of data like the one you see before you and narrow it down for the user to find the desired data. And doing that by the use of BBA code. And the BBA code accomplishes it is able to narrow down copious amounts of data down to a smaller, more desirable scale for the user to operate with. And the design approach we took was to make a simple interface dashboard for a client to operate with ease and to output all relevant data onto one sheet. So the way this tool works is we have all of our selections on top, and right here on the left hand side they're able to sort through combatant command, country, and longitude and latitude. So what we ultimately want is, in this sector, we want 6 graphs or charts, 3 pie charts, 1 bar graph, and 2 line graphs. So we accomplish all that by using this long several amounts of BBA code, and the most important code is our sort data code, which, as you see here, it sorts through all of our desired graphs and charts that we want, and ultimately that data is going to be transferred from here onto these 2 sheets. So if we want to see terrorism data from the United States, we select country over here, and we hit country, and then we filter our data. Then ultimately you go to the My Data sheet, and all the data is sorted for the United States. And then we return to our dashboard, and here we see that we have a pie chart that is a target by type, and here's the types. Here we have an attack by type pie graph. We have a weapon by type pie graph. Here we have fatalities and casualties by type bar graph. Here we have a total number of attacks sorted by month. That's a 1 through 12. It represents a month. And then here we have number of fatalities and casualties by month. Also, down here on the x-axis is the months. To further prove that our VBA code is correct and functions correctly, we're going to sort by combatant command, and we're going to choose the North command, and we're going to sort that data. And then as a result, we go to the dashboard, and now it is sorted by the combatant command in the North command. And as you see, we get the same charts, just with different data.
Alright, for our strengths, the dashboard is simple for the user to interact with, and the displays are has beneficial visuals for the user to see what's going on. The weakness is that not all of our graphs are labeled, so it may be a little difficult for the user to understand exactly what the graphs are portraying. For the future, we would suggest adding more code to display the terrorist affiliations in certain areas and the motives they have to help the clients better understand more about the terrorism in that area.